In English, we often use the word look in many different situations. Look at this picture. Look at the ocean. Look around the market. Why are you looking at me? English also has more specific words like gaze and stare, but look remains a very common, everyday verb. In Korean, you'll also find several verbs that describe different kinds of looking. Are you simply looking at something? Quietly gazing at it for a while? Looking around for fun? Or staring directly at someone? Once you understand what each verb describes, they're much easier to remember. Today, we'll learn some of the most common Korean verbs for looking, practice using them in everyday expressions, and then hear them in a real conversation. 보다, 바라보다, 구경하다, 쳐다보다. Listen and repeat after me. The general verb for seeing, looking, or watching. 보다, 보다. To gaze at or keep looking at something for a while. 바라보다. 바라보다. To look around or browse for enjoyment. 구경하다. 구경하다. To look directly at someone or something, often to stare. 쳐다보다. 쳐다보다. Now that you've learned the vocabulary, let's see how these words are used in everyday expressions using 요 form. 보다. 사진을 봐요. TV를 봐요. 영화를 봐요. 책을 봐요. 하늘을 봤어요. I'm looking at the picture. 사진을 봐요. 사진을 봐요. I watch TV. TV를 봐요. TV를 봐요. I watch a movie. 영화를 봐요. 영화를 봐요. I'm reading a book. 책을 봐요. 책을 봐요. I looked at the sky. 하늘을 봤어요. 하늘을 봤어요. 바라보다. 창밖을 바라보고 있어요. 노을을 바라봤어요. 아이를 바라봤어요. I'm looking out the window. 창밖을 바라보고 있어요. 창밖을 바라보고 있어요. I gazed at the sunset. 노을을 바라봤어요. 노을을 바라봤어요. I looked at the child. 아이를 바라봤어요. 아이를 바라봤어요. 구경하다. 시장을 구경했어요. 백화점을 구경하고 있어요. 박물관을 구경했어요. I looked around the market. 시장을 구경했어요. 시장을 구경했어요. I'm browsing around the department store. 백화점을 구경하고 있어요. 백화점을 구경하고 있어요. I looked around the museum. 박물관을 구경했어요. 박물관을 구경했어요. 쳐다보다. 왜 저를 쳐다봐요? 아이가 하늘을 쳐다봤어요. 계속 쳐다보지 마세요. Why are you staring at me? 왜 저를 쳐다봐요? 왜 저를 쳐다봐요? The child looked up at the sky. 아이가 하늘을 쳐다봤어요. 아이가 하늘을 쳐다봤어요. Please don't keep staring. 계속 쳐다보지 마세요. 계속 쳐다보지 마세요. Here is some useful information on the expressions. Let's start with 보다, the most common Korean verb for to look. Like English, Korean has several verbs related to seeing and reading. 보다 is the general everyday verb used for looking at, watching, or seeing something. That's why you can say TV를 봐요. I watch TV. 영화를 봐요. I watch a movie. And 사진을 봐요. I look at a picture. You may also hear 책을 봐요, which literally means I look at a book, but is commonly used to mean I read a book in everyday conversation. Korean also has the more specific verb 읽다, which emphasizes reading the written text itself. Whenever you're simply looking at or watching something in a general way, 보다 is usually the natural choice. Next is 바라보다. This verb describes looking at something for a while, often with thought, affection, admiration, or emotion. That's why it's commonly used when talking about sunsets, beautiful scenery, loved ones, or quietly looking out a window. Compared with 보다, 바라보다 feels calmer and more intentional, almost like gazing rather than simply looking. Now let's look at 구경하다. This verb means looking around for enjoyment. Instead of simply seeing something, you're walking around a place because you're interested in what's there. You'll hear 구경하다 when people visit markets, museums, shopping malls, festivals, or tourist attractions. If you're window shopping or sightseeing, this is usually the verb Korean speakers choose. Finally, there's 쳐다보다. This verb means looking directly at someone or something. When talking about people, it often has the feeling of staring, which can sound rude or uncomfortable. That's why you'll often hear expressions like 왜 저를 쳐다봐요? Why are you staring at me? Or 계속 쳐다보지 마세요. Please don't keep staring. Fortunately, situations like these don't happen very often. Since staring is generally considered impolite, people usually comment to someone else rather than say these expressions directly to the person staring. Also, 쳐다보다 can also simply mean looking upward, as in 아이가 하늘을 쳐다봤어요. The child looked up at the sky. The context tells you whether it means look up or stare. Here are some key takeaways. In English, we often use the verb look in many different situations. Look at this picture. Look at the sunset. Look around the market. Why are you looking at me? English also has more specific verbs like gaze and stare, but look is still a very common everyday verb. In Korean, you'll also find different verbs that describe different kinds of looking. 보다 is for general looking, watching, seeing, and reading. 바라보다 is for gazing or looking thoughtfully. 구경하다 is for browsing or sightseeing. 쳐다보다 is for looking directly at someone or looking upward, often with the feeling of staring. Instead of memorizing 4 separate verbs, ask yourself, what kind of looking is happening? Thinking this way makes choosing the correct Korean verb much easier. Now, let's listen to how these verbs are used in a real conversation. You might hear them a little differently. This is how people naturally speak. These speakers are close friends, so they'll use casual Korean instead of the polite forms you just learned. Even if they sound a little different, they come from the same words you've already studied, so listen for those. At the market. 시장 처음 와? Is this your first time at the market? Yeah. 여기 정말 크다. This place is really big. 먼저 구경해보자. Let's look around first. 좋아. Sounds good. 저기 봐. Look over there. 와. 와우. 사람이 정말 많네. There are so many people. 잠깐. Wait. 왜 저 사람이 계속 쳐다보지? Why does that person keep staring at us? 응? Huh? 계속 이쪽을 바라보고 있어. They're still looking this way. Oh. 네 뒤에 있는 강아지를 보고 있었네. They were looking at the dog behind you. 아하. Oh, I see. 그래서 그랬구나. That explains it. Now it's your turn. 영화를 봐요. 노을을 바라봤어요. 시장을 구경했어요. 왜 저를 쳐다봐요? Great job today! Today, you learned that while English often uses one word, look, Korean often chooses a verb that describes the kind of looking that's happening. If you're simply seeing or watching something, 보다. If you're quietly gazing at something for a while, 바라보다. If you're looking around for enjoyment, 구경하다. If you're looking directly at someone, often with the feeling of staring, 쳐다보다. As you continue learning Korean, you'll notice that some Korean expressions describe actions more specifically than English. Instead of using one general verb, it frequently chooses a word that tells you how an action happens. Once you begin noticing those patterns, Korean starts to feel much more logical and much easier to remember. If you enjoyed today's lesson, remember to like and subscribe. And come hang out in Korean again soon. I'll see you in the next lesson.